How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a living like you.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.